Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Microsoft PowerToys in your computer in a very simple way. Microsoft PowerToys unlocks hidden Windows features like Windows Snap, Keyboard Remap, and Color Picker. For downloading it, what you have to do, you have to first go to Microsoft Store, and then you have to come over into the search option, and here you can simply search for Microsoft, or you can simply type here PowerToys. Here it is. So if you click on that, you can simply click on install and it will going to start installing. After completing download and installation, you can simply see it's installed. So now you can simply close it and you can see that the PowerToys is rightly open over here. So if you want a dedicated video about the PowerToys, you can simply comment below. I will make another video to show you how PowerToys uses into unlocks the hidden Windows features. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.